Hello everyone, how is your preparation for Christmas going on? I hope you are managing well with the workload and excitement of this auspicious day. As you can see, I have made this beautiful Christmas tree. I have even decorated it. This is what it looks like on the other side. And today we will make more of these together. All you need is scrap yarn in the green color of your choice and a bit of brown for the trunk, and I am using this tinsel thread, and I have made a long chain using this tinsel, which I will be using to decorate my tree. So you can even use tinsel yarn if you have some, but I will use this. Let's start. To make our tree, we will start by making slip knot and then our granny triangle. You can check my channel for a complete guide on how to make granny triangle. I have made 2 of them, so you can come check that out as well. We will start by making slip knot. And chain 4, 3 and 4. Make a slip stitch and join first and last chains. Now chain 3 as your first double crochet, and in this space we will make our shells. This is our first shell. Chain 3, and we will make our next shell, and we will crochet above this loose end as well. After chain 3, we will make our next cluster. Chain 3 and last cluster. Chain 3 and join with the first chain 3 of our first cluster. Just pull the corners to give it a shape, and you can start your next round. To start next round, we will slip stitch to the next corner. And make your first shell by making 3 chains and 2 normal double crochets. Chain 3 for the corner and next cluster. Chain 1 above a cluster and next corner. So in every chain 3 space we will make 2 shells and 3 chains. Chain 1 above a cluster, and this is our last chain 3 space of first round, and we will make last set of clusters of second round. Chain 3, make 3 chains and join with the first double crochet or first chain 3 of this round. Let's have a look. So now the triangle looks like a triangle, and in this last round we will make these shells to make our triangle a little plumper, and this will be our last round. After reaching the corner, we will make this first cluster. Now you can see that these clusters have 4 double crochets each, so they are more like shell stitch than typical granny cluster. Let's start. This was my last slip stitch, and now I will make chain 3 and 4 double crochets in total, including the first chain 3s. So these are 4. Just chain 1 and 4 more. Now chain 2, and in the second double crochet of the previous round make a slip stitch like we make for the shell stitch. Again chain 2, and in the next chain 1 space we will make our next cluster of 4 double crochets. You can say for our shell stitch of 4 stitches or cluster of 4 stitches. Again chain 2 and slip stitch in the second double crochet of the previous round, chain 2, and in the peak at the top of my tree I have 2 clusters and I have 1 picot stitch. So let's do that. After making chain 2, I will make my first cluster of 4 double crochets. There is a knot which we will hide. Now after making 4 chains, I will make 3 chains and turn my work and go in the back hump of my first chain and then make a slip stitch. This will make my tree very pointy, a nice pointy tree. Now 4 double crochets to complete my peak, chain 2, chain 2. After completing my 4 double crochets, I have made 2 chains, and in the middle one we will make slip stitch, chain 2, and now we are in the last chain 3 space, last corner, and we will make 4 double crochets to make our first shell. Chain 1 for the corner and second cluster of this round. This is also the last cluster of our tree. 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. Two chains and slip stitch in the second double crochet, 2 chains, and in the middle of this 3 chain we have made slip stitch, 2 chains, 2 chains and slip stitch in the second double crochet, and 2 chains and join with the first 3 chains, first double crochet of our round. Because I have used bigger crochet hook for this tree, so though the yarn is same, this tree is bigger than my sample one. Let's cut our yarn. I'm using this brown color and I have doubled my yarn so that my trunk is a bit thicker. Let's make slip knot. And in this chain 3 space we will make 3 or 4 double crochets as you like. First will be of course chain 3, and then three more. We have 2. We have made 3. Let's make one more. Let's see how it's looking. I think it's good enough. If you want, you can make one more. Depends how thick of a trunk you want. Let's cut our yarn. Secure the tail. This is the starting tail, so let's hide that. Weave it in a couple of times. Now our tree is complete and we can decorate it. Let's use this chain and decorate our tree. Last time I just made a couple of rounds in the final round. Let's secure it here, anywhere. So I am essentially passing it through after every 2 or 3 stitches. Now I am at the peak in my picot stitch. Let's pass it through the picot stitch a couple of times. So I will complete it and then I will show you. I have completed decorating my Christmas tree with this tinsel thread chain, and here is the final look. You can add beads and make it even more decorative, festive. I suggest that you make a whole lot of these trees. Decorate them with whatever your fancy leads you to, and have a very Merry Christmas. Till next time, take care.